We are going to play the ceiling fan and the wobbly with the Ms and Mnid. No likes. Yeah. You gotta buy a apologize. So you can. Oh, OMG. What is this stuff is called? The video is too big. And let me on it. It's on, but it's not rotates. Oh. My god. Fans are too much big. It's like I'm going every slow. You can see the fans are really big. Oh, ouch. That was a photo. How am I supposed to rotate it? Two big fans I have never seen in my eyes. How am I supposed to get this thing off? I think in 2-3 hours is going on. 2-3 hours? Let me go and check. This rotate for many times. Let's wait for them. What? It's been only 20 minutes.